Hello, people of the internet. Here we are again with a different color avatar. In my previous YouTube video, I did the blue avatar. If you commented below that the next one I'm doing is pink, then you are correct. I just came back from a lash appointment, so they are full and ready. However, I already did my base makeup. If you remember correctly from the first video, you can just repeat those steps again. This will include the moisturizer, foundation, powder, and a little bit of blush. For the people who don't have their eyebrows done, you will do that, and lashes. I know last time I said I'm not turning my entire body and face blue. This time, since I already did my base, I'm gonna go ahead and try and do a full face / half face. We'll see where we get. I do have an inspiration photo. This is quite hectic and full face. We'll see where we get. Come along the ride with me. I will be using my little blush and big fluffy brush. I use it quite often. I'm looking a little sunburned. I will be using these two cream palettes. The pink shades. Now I'll be using this Makeup Revolution London palette. There's obviously a very shocking pink shade in there that I'll be using. And this small detailed brush will help me with all the line work.
Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me, try to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that, but you never really knew.
Now that all the pink is done, I'm gonna go in with this is the water base face paint, and I'm using this dotter. Sometimes I like using the end of the brush as well because it makes those solid circles. Going forward with my lips. Last and final step, the hair. I'm happy with the completed look. I think it looks sweet. Imagine we actually got a pink avatar. What do you think? Comment below what's the next color I'm doing. And also, if you have not, subscribe and click the bell. You can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you for watching.